In this video, we will explore the difference between the Go to URL and Open URL and Lightbox interactions. In this experience, we're going to set up two different interactions, so let's start by selecting the button group on page 1 and navigating over to the Interact tab. For this button, we're going to use onClick as the trigger and then Go to URL as the action. Here you can enter any URL you want to link to, as well as choose whether you wanted it to open in a new window or in the current one. Once this interaction has been applied to the button, clicking on it in the preview will open the designated URL. The second option is for instances when you want to keep your users within the experience but still want them to view a separate web page. We'll set this interaction up the exact same way, only instead of applying a Go to URL action, we're going to select the Open URL and Lightbox action. Taking a look at the preview, you can see how both of these actions can fit the different needs of your content. If you have any questions about the interactions we went over in this lesson, please feel free to reach out via the support chat. For a deeper dive into interactions, be sure to check out our more advanced lessons.